here in the lab, we give each other 3 feet of personal space.
You will come with us, human, for further examination.
Don't you know where we are?
Interesting specimen.
I mean, Dee, so good of you to join us.
I got a great appetite.
Dee, I would go, but I don't want to get experimented on. I mean, I'm not hungry.
Okay, then what's wrong with you?
I've got measles, chickenpox, hammer toes, jewel box neck. I'm feverish. I gotta chill. Especially when served with fish.
Do you want a drink too, Beast?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you. It wasn't me. It was the straw. I need my blanket.
But it's not cold.
I know, but I just feel better when I have it. It's in Hamilton's box. Somewhere in Hamilton's box. That's where my blanket is. I need it to be comfy.
Don't worry. If I'm right, it's nothing serious. First, tell me how you feel in one word.
One word? There's no word to express how I feel.
What you doing, Dexter?
Huh? Get out of here, Dee. I am trying to have a sale and make some cash.
Does it feel kind of like an itch you can't scratch?
Good idea, Maggie.
Hamilton? Maggie?
What?
What do you say, Dee?
What?
Why are you wearing earmuffs?
Because you were snoring.
Oh, it couldn't have been me. I don't snore.
Huh?
But we heard you.
It must have been someone else.
With Nurse Grimsdale.
No problem, Dee. Just put it in a safe spot.
But there's nobody else here.
This is ridiculous. I need to make some loot. Oh, boy. $6, $7, $8, and 41, 42, 43.
How'd you do,
I,
Dexter?
Zamfir, will play the pen face.
Never mind, Hamilton. Let's just go to sleep.
Right. Shh.
I can't sleep.
Neither can I.
Me too, neither. Aww.
Oh,
Aren't they cute?
Don't wake them up.
Maggie, what'll we do? I can't get up.
Shh. We'll have to stay here. East. East. Just try to fall asleep, Hamilton. Nighty-night.
Nighty-night.